Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to The Scoop. I'm Mickey D, the baby knockout goat. Thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. Oh boy, my lips are not matching this thing, so it's kind of a little difficult. Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. We dedicate this show to all you grandparents out there. I see I'm going to have an issue with technology here, but all you old schoolers that take a little and you turn it into a lot, you original kings and queens in your family, those individuals that the grandkids can look out to and look up to when the parents are maybe busy. This holiday season, we're dedicating it to you. What are we looking at right now? $81.75 a pound, the uranium spot price right now. Term price is dictating all this right now. There's a lot of long-term contracts being written as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. Prices are going up. We bought hook, line, and sinker early on years ago that there would be a supply demand imbalance. There is, and we're taking it from there. What are the stocks doing? We're going to talk about that and show you some here in a second. But first, I want to give a shout out to some of those individuals that that help us considerably. I'm talking about the coffee buyers, the ones that keep me alert and sound. I'm talking about Camillus. I'm talking about Mark Jarrett. I'm talking about Squiley. I'm talking about Bullwinkle. They are the top supporters of the Scoop with in the past 90 days. The top coffee supporters. Yeah, there's been get on there. You can ask some questions and what have you. Some of the questions on there. Uh, Squiley, thanks for your help. Do I send a Cash App for the newsletter? Yes, you can use Cash App. That's Mickey D 100, Mickey D 100. And at the end, the back of all of the videos, there's the description area where you get more information in the back of the videos, and you can go to Cash App here. You can just make a donation to PayPal, research and development for the Scoop and valuable books. PayPal donation link is there. You have the links to other areas also. You should have. There's a link in the videos also to the Scoop store. If you don't have your swag, you definitely want to get some swag. If you don't have that, you want to get a few things maybe this holiday season here. Get your baby knockout gear. You might want to do that. Let's get you a mug, so we can have a drink, especially when we have that. We have that $100. Maybe I have some mugs to give out. We go over. I definitely have something. You know how it is. Something once we reach that 100 and we have our celebration there in Vegas at the Bahama Breeze. We'll see what we can do. But ladies and gentlemen, when we go from there, let's take a look at the uranium stocks. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price also. Um, let's look at uranium energy, UEC, doing very well. You can see it's above the 13-day moving average here. There's the 48-day moving average. We want to see these things ride the 13-day moving average for years. How about that? For years. You guys are going to like that? You going to like that? Riding that 13-day moving average for years? I think I'll like it also. What about Cameco? All-time high. We're looking at a lot of these stocks. 45.92 USD. That is something, ladies and gentlemen. It is going very well, riding that 13-day. Come down and they test the 48-day, and then we ride right on back up. Oh, it's going to be a great uranium bull market this time. In '03 to '07 was great. I didn't think it could get any better. This is actually going to be better, ladies and gentlemen. And I wrote some of these stocks. Denison Mines was my date on my arm, and Denison, we did our thing. It was very, very, very good time with that one. What about Next Gen? Next Gen is one of those stocks that we got really, really early as a baby knockout also. and it did very, very well. Denison Next Gen, along with the others, they were in, How to Invest in Uranium Now. Remember that book? Banned in Germany. Yeah, it was banned in Germany. You guys know what's going on now in Germany. They didn't want anything to do with uranium for a while. It was the only book in the world that I know of, or at least in America, that was banned in Germany. Guys weren't writing books about uranium until up to now, because it's fashionable. I was writing and doing it when it was not fashionable because you can't advertise. So a business that you can't advertise, yeah, I agree with Rick Rule. The easy money is gone. So everybody bought my books and now they can buy the others. Marijuana, David, Amy, Uranium, when all companies get an early hold and grow rich, as another one of the baby knockouts that was in there. These stocks, we got under a quarter. Some were under 50 cents. There was only one stock over $1 when I started. That was Chemical. It was $8. Chemical was like $8. The other stocks were down. They weren't even. Some of them were in the womb. They weren't even born yet. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin right now, 37,895. It's doing its thing. It's going to do very, very well this cycle. We appreciate that. Did I tell you about Did I tell you about Homes Luxury Travel? I think I did, but I'll tell you again. You can get some great rates, ladies and gentlemen, with our travel company here, Homes Luxury Travel, Homes HOLMES luxurytravel.net. You can get those car deals, like I said, $9.99. We get those flash sales, some things, the yachts. I know you guys are interested in a yacht party. They're fun. The hotels, the you get it. We're an international company, ladies and gentlemen, international. So we've got stuff all over the world, all over the world. But I was at Planet 13 about 4 years ago or so, about this time, and it was an interesting, encounter with the big guy back here, Santa. Santa baby, yeah, Santa baby. I was Santa's baby
in Canada.
that day.
Now,
But let me
Planet
tell you
13
what
released
happened here
numbers.
that
Now,
day.
now
Take a
listen to
look here.
this.
See what happened.
Released numbers.
Hey,
Over
look
60,000.
at that. It's Mickey D.
Hey.
Even Santa Claus knows who Mickey D is.
Expect this.
Goddamn elf sent me
I'm
down
live.
here to
I'm-
get some more pot. I mean, they smoked it all up on 420. They're going on strike. Why didn't you down here and get them
Thank
some
you,
more
sir.
pot?
I'm live though. Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you listened to the show. Great.
Love you, Santa.